Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel My Magical World, and today I am here with some Amazon products like one live plant and one artificial plant. So live plant, actually let's see what plant is there inside, and artificial, after this I'll open the artificial plant. So live plant, let me open this and I'll see, it's a surprise. So here let me open it and see. Oh wow, if you can see that it's a Morphankhi plant, and this, I think they packed it not so nicely, but the plant is looking quite fresh. So let me open it for you. Yes, it's opening. Wow, you can see the little bit it's, and here this I'll open. Yes, I think I have to cut it more. Okay, so here I'll see it's looking quite fresh, so I'm sure it would be the fresh one. It's tiny, it's very small, like in the description box it was slightly different. They say it like picture it was slightly different, but the plant it's looking quite fresh. So let me open. They packed it nicely. Yes. Oh wow, it's without pot, so no matter, like I've already prepared my pot. And see, as you can see, this is the plant and it's quite fresh, and yes, the leaves are lush green, so we can say that is the fresh one, and it's a new baby plant. So let me open this now, how it looks. So I'll cut it here, and let me see. Yes, it's nice, like the price for this plant is quite reasonable. Actually, I have been searching this plant for a long, but the price was quite high. Means I was looking for if I can get a good deal. So finally I got it from Flipkart. So let's see, in Amazon also it was there, but in Flipkart I got a very good deal. So it cost only $100 for me, and there was a good discount. So this is the, yes, now it's ready. You can see how fresh it is, and the soil is a little bit dry because you have come from far, so it took around 2 3 4 days. So now I'll remove it and I'll show you how to plant it. So this Morphankhi plant, this plant needs lots of sunlight, but now I'll plant it in a pot, and after planting it I'll keep it under shade for at least for 7 days, so that it's a new plant, it's a new environment, so it takes some time to get adjusted in the new environment. So now this is my pot. Here I have put the garden soil, the normal garden soil, and with some sand. And first I'll place the this one, the plant, and then I'll put some more soil mixed with cocoa peat, normal garden soil, and sand, because sand is really important for this plant. So because this plant need well drained water, so to get well drained water we have to put some sand. So I'll carefully I'll do it so that the roots will be intact and will not get hurt. So as you can see, yes, I'll just break little bit the soil, I'll just loosen it, that's it, and then I'll place it here. Now I'll put some soil from other side. So here there is the mix, the soil mix is there. I'll put this soil here. It's a mixture of cocoa peat, little bit perlite, then normal garden soil, and sand. So this side also I'll try. I need much more soil for this. So this is just to show you the plant, to unbox the plant. I have bought this pot, so I'll put more the soil mix here. I'll put the same soil mix, coco peat, then vermicompost and normal soil and sand. I'll mix it, and up to this you can see that around an inch or two I'll leave, and then I'll put all the soil mixture here till this line, and then I'll put water and keep it under the shade for at least 6 to 7 days, and after that I have to move it to the sun, because this plant, it needs lots of sunlight. So this is the live plant and Morphankhi plant, and it's really fresh. So if I have to rate this on Flipkart, then I'll definitely give 9 on 10. Why it's 9? Because there is always a scope to improve, and also I was expecting a little taller, but it's not. So it's little thin, so that's why. So now I am keeping it here this side, and next is the Amazon artificial plant. Then let's see what plant is this. Let's open it. I think it should be a orchid. Yes, it's a orchid, and here you can see this is okay. So it's quite small. I was expecting it's like bigger than this, and you can see I'll cut it and show you. They packed it very nicely. It's the artificial one, so let's see whether it looks natural or like, you know, the plastic one. But in their website, oh my god, it is really tiny. It's really tiny. You can see, I'll keep it here. As you can see, it's a tiny pot, but it looks nice. The leaves, these are not plastic. That I'm saying, this is not plastic. That is the best part. The pot is very small, but if we put it under a ceramic pot, it will a really little bigger ceramic pot, it will really good nice on that. And also what I'll do, I'll take a ceramic pot or a little bigger nice pot, then I'll put some pebbles, and then on that I'll place it inside the pebble. This much I'll put inside that pot. So we can see this one, the leaves, it's looking really natural, and this one you can see it's the fabric, it's not at all plastic, and the buds also looking good. So as a whole, it's very nice. It's a plastic pot, and here also, oh yeah, if someone come very close to it, then only they will able to understand that, oh, it's not it's an artificial plant. But otherwise, like from far, no, it's not looking like an artificial plant. So here they could have done something here, because this portion, it's looking slightly here they have put something plastic, so here they could have done something else. So as a whole, this plant looks really nice. It will keep it say in your living room or dining table, or even in the washroom. It will look really nice. The color is really bright. So as a whole, 1 on 10. No, not I'll not give 1, because it looks nice, but size is very small. Size is really small, so I'll give 6 around, because of the size and because of this thing. You can see it looks artificial. If somebody look at this portion, they'll understand that it's artificial. Otherwise, it's 9. So I'm giving 6 on 10. So in my description box, I'll post the link for this plant and also the live plant. Both links I'll put in my description box. So please look at the description box for the details. And thank you, friend. Thank you for watching. Please like my videos, and please subscribe to my channel, My Magical World. Thank you for watching, friend. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.